a restaurant, Mexican restaurant, with our friends.
What is it called?
It's called 1900 Mexican Grill, best Mexican restaurant ever. And we went and just talked with them and had lunch with them. We went
What were their names?
Their names are Lila and Vivi, and it was really awesome. We got to catch up with them and tell them all about Hawaii. But right now, we are at our other friend's house, their new house, Gray and Emery's new house. And we're gonna
You might remember Emery.
Yeah, you might remember Emery from another video.
Emily!
Emery. But we also are going to be seeing Macy and Preston, our other friends here, and it's just a get together at their brand new house. So hope you enjoy. So we're playing this game. We're playing this game where we're playing this game where we're stealing stuff from the boys and we're having lots of fun. That, and then Macy stole the Pokemon cards, and Emery has the genie, which we stole. And so
We have to go.
we're going to dinner.
Coming!
We're either having burgers or
coming.
barbecue. Let's see. We got burgers. Do you like burgers?
Sing the song, sing the song. Take the other that has to like me. I want to see it.
You want to see it? Do you want to film? We're at. Can you say?
Bad Daddy.
Yes. What are you getting to eat?
Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it is pointing at me.
We're playing a game where you gotta guess what you're drawing. So this is my drawing, and Emery and Macy got this one right. It's a person painting. And then this is Macy's drawing. It was a guitar, and I got this one right. And Emery drew this one. And I guessed a canoe. And I got it right.
A horn.
Yes, it's a park. If you got that right, congratulations.
That would be me.
Okay, now it's Macy's turn. My lemonade has strawberry pieces in it.
Oh! Ew!
So we just got back from Carowinds, and that's what we did all day. And I went with my friend Lucy Grace. We went at 11. She came at 10. We got in at 10:30. Our plan was to spend most of the day in the water park, and then until like, I don't know, maybe 8 leave. But right now it's 6:30. We left early because it was just too hot. We were so tired of the day at the water park. So we came home and we've already had dinner. But yesterday we had reading day. Other than that, we did absolutely nothing. So reading day is where we go to the library or like a bookstore and like sit down and read. So we went to Imagine on yesterday.
We're gonna make some cookies.
No, we're not. Did you get chocolate on the phone? So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna make a challenge.
We're gonna figure this out. You can already tell that needs to be melted in the microwave. It's actually not that bad though.
Can I play with it?
It's really pretty. Look how pretty. I'm gonna go melt it in the microwave and see what happens.
Nope.
Because it's rubbery. No, I always melt things in the microwave. It's melted. It's also very hot. How to cool down slime. Hey, it made a ball.
It did? It did!
You need some to go with your hands?
Yeah. Happy 4th of July!
We're hoping you had a good 4th of July. Because we have no plans.
Yeah. And we're talking about making a filming room so we can do some new challenges. So watch those too.
Give us some challenges, ideas down below because we want to hear what you want to see. This is the door where you come in. This is the living room, the downstairs living room. This is your bookcase. So this is going to stay right where it is. It's not going to move or anything. There's an outlet right here for like if we needed to plug in lights and stuff. Okay, got that? So that brick wall is where we're going to be filming. So we are going to move this bed against this wall, move this out, move this into the closet doors right there. This is also going to go out, and this is going to stay right where it is, but just right here next to the bed. So it should look something a little bit like this. So this is now what it's going to look like. The bed will be on this wall, and that dresser will be over there in that corner. That bookshelf is going to be in the same place. Everything else will be gone. We will move in a new table / dresser, and
It's a Pokemon card!
And then we're gonna move in 2 stools. So here's a before. This is in progress. We just need to get a couple of things for this, like the rest of the lights, and then we need to get a better sign, and then something to go behind us. So we went to go see Spider-Man Far From Home. Yeah. Good movie. But we all had a wonderful day. So go watch that movie. And also be ready to watch Descendants 3, because that's a great movie too. Today we've stayed at home all day because it's been really hot and we have no plans. So we FaceTimed our cousins, and then we went, and now we're going to the library. We also ordered some stuff for our room, and what else did we do? I was gonna paint, so we might paint later, but yeah, we're going to the library painting. This is my first painting I did. It's a heart, and it's gonna say, "Be your own kind of beautiful." Ender was painting this vase. And then this is my other one. It's flowers, and it says, "Start each day with a grateful heart." This one's my favorite so far. Ender also made this, which is Mickey Mouse on a hill. But now it's time to end this week. So what are you gonna say?
Bye-bye.
Say good